them over.
Happy Monday, everyone. I just stopped by another beautiful job over in Las Colinas. Come by to do some checking. Just got a good cleanup today. Getting our waterfall. Got 3 shears going across the back. And I'm going to tell you, this is a pretty neat one. I like the triple sun shelf here. You know, you've got a place to put your loungers with your LED bubblers. Got some cool little steps coming in. And then you go to a secondary area that's going to be about chest high. And then you go to the deep end for doing laps. Nice little bench at the end down here. They had a beautiful backyard and got a beautiful kitchen over there. So the whole yard was already done with a lot of pavers. And we came in and integrated the old pavers in and mixed a little bit of new ones in and got this beautiful, look at this beautiful travertine coping. This is a very popular upgrade I always suggest. It's cooler on your arms. It just gives it a very decorative look. It's just a beautiful job. Customer's very, very happy. And I think we're going to be doing the neighbor's job over here. So, hey, we'll share the love and share the quality. Y'all have a blessed day. And guess what? We'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a great day. Happy Monday. And let's stay dry. And let's get swimming quick. Y'all take care.